Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from the Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys a look at the Ballber Pro. This is an all-body hair trimmer, and as you can see by the box, it's quite attractive in appearance. It's got this wireless charging base here, and it's IPX7 waterproof, so this thing's completely waterproof. You can use it in the shower. Inside the box, we've got the trimmer itself. This has a very nice texture to it. It's kind of rubberized, so it's got a nice grip to it. This comes on a travel lock, so you want to hold down the power button to unlock it. And there you go. Look at that, it's got this nice light right there. You can tell it's not really that loud. You've got what is basically the body hair guide right here. And you've got the beard trimming guide. You've got this little wall brick here. You've got this brush for cleaning the blades. You've got the charging base here. USB-C cable. It looks like it's a very nice length, nice and thick cable. You just place the Ballber just like that, and it'll start charging, which is very nice. So I just plugged it in, and it says 100%. It's still at 100. Let's say I want to attach this guide comb on for the beard. So you basically want to go ahead and put the face in first, and then just pop that in the back there. There's 1 through 10, and you can actually see this thing lift up when you get towards 10. Looks like if you want to put on this, you just basically snap it on, plain and simple. What you can actually do is plug it directly into the bottom there. This is just a very attractive product overall. You've got this nice guide here. It tells you how to replace the blades, how to clean it, safety instructions, how to use that travel lock, using the guards. And for the price, I think this can't be beaten.